You're talking about a car that's 0 to 60 under 3 seconds. Ferociously fast, right? You want to drive like a Porsche, but look like a styling street rodder. This is the car for you. This one delivers on all marks. Yeah, it's the ultimate. This is a Factory 5 Speedstar. This is a badass hot rod is what this is. This is 2,100 pounds and 450 horsepower of nastiness. This is a great hot rod. It's kind of a hot rod on steroids.
The Speedstar is an absolute beauty of a ride. This car even won the Riddler Award. With the original designer George Wong deciding to retire, hot rod fanatic David Smith took on the designs and brought the Speedstar to life. Priced at a modest $35,000 for this DIY kit, this ride is a perfect blend of good looks and great power, and all born out of pure passion.
Building your own car is sort of a uniquely American tradition. You know, we thought, wouldn't it be great if we could build some cars and pay our bills and not be subject to corporate America? It's an American dream story. The process of deciding to build your own car starts kind of with the fantasy and drawing it on the kitchen table. The build process starts from the frame up. So you're talking about a space frame chassis, first of all. Then you're talking about really kind of a computer designed suspension. In this case, an independent rear suspension based on Ford's 2015 and later IRS, bulletproof transmission. IRS in the back, IFS in the front, two-frame space frame chassis. So yeah, all the underpinnings of a sports car with the style of that Speedstar body. You saw what's underneath the car in the showroom. Now on the outside of the car, it looks good, but it's got a super strong chassis underneath. 392 crate motor, right from Chrysler, right about 10 grand. 392 Dodge Hemi. So when your buddies say, does it have a Hemi? Yeah, it's got a Hemi. Massive back tires, jacked up rear end, slammed front end. It's low, it's sleek, it's got this chop top. There's still tons of headroom in it. You're talking about 35, 45 grand all in. That's paint work and everything. But I mean, that's the price for a high-end minivan, right? And you're getting something that'll just destroy anything on the street. We are in the golden age of performance engineering, and autos have never been faster and never been better, so we're able to take advantage of all that aftermarket performance and put it into our chassis and end up with a car that will run with a Lamborghini, but it costs a third of the price and you build it yourself. So the build, the experience, all that stuff's great, but when you turn the key and drop the hammer, that's when all the hard work pays off. Let's drive it, you'll see, it's a monster.
This car may look beautiful, but blink and you'll miss it.
It's a cruiser, it's a muscle cruiser. So I mean, you can just light up the rear tires at will. But it also has kind of this style and this edge to it that is really street rod, you know? It's like a magnet for people. You're always the #1 subject of conversation. Anywhere you go, you're a celebrity. So if you're on America's Most Wanted, you do not want to build this car. Everybody who's going to build a Speedstar is going to build their ultimate ride, their ultimate way. Nothing like that feeling. How you build yourself, you put your own ideas and you're so proud of it. It becomes the stories that you built along the way, the friends you made along the way. Years from now, maybe my time's over, but the car outlives me.